Welcome to Mates with Mr. Kaseke. Mates with Sekaseke. My number is 0772 472 169. That's my call and WhatsApp number. Please subscribe, and also you can also contact me on this number. Okay, so today we want to talk of equation of a straight line. So equation of a straight line. It is given in the form y is equals to mx plus c, where m and c are constants. So when we are saying m and c are constants, we are just saying m and c are just numbers, right? Are just numbers. So on the equation of a straight line, basically what we do is to find the m and the c. If you get the m and the c, y na x vagara vanenge varangoripo. Like for example, you all know patinombopiwa equation kunzi draw 2x plus 1, right? That's an equation of a straight line yatinenge chimbodraw Cartesian plane. So it's an equation of a straight line, right? So x is always there and y is always there, but the 2 and the 1 ndo vanosiyana depending ne-equation yacho, right? So the like panapa tokutoziva kuti our gradient is 2 and the y-intercept is what? Is 1. Okay, sorry, ndaenda kumberi sandaverenga this statement kuti m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So kureva kuti m, this one is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So by equation of a straight line, just know kuti wewe y na x vanogara varongoripo, right? So what you are going to substitute is the m and the c, kana was it's 1. So now we are moving on to gradient. Gradient it measures the slopeness of a line. The slopeness of a line, which means tutaura kakubenderera ke line redu, maybe line anokwasange rakadai so iwaya malines anenge akatosiyana, right? Anokwasange akadai so, right? Akatosiyana and uru this line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Ese aya akatosiyana malines iwaya aneka slopeness kakasiyana ndo kano measure ne gradient. That's the slopeness. Okay, so gradient is equals the change in y over change in x, of which when you are talking about the change in y, but not towering change, there should be 2 or more points, right? Because tutaura kuchinja unenge uchibva apa uchienda apa. So the formula is y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Zvireva kuti you can calculate gradient of a line if you have 2 points, right? So now we are having an example, right? Find the gradient of a line passing through 6, 2 and 3, 17, right? So you should do gradient yedu isusu. Our gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my y2 maybe ndinoenda kuti nanti coordinate kana tichiri tora tinoti uyu ndi xy, uyu ndi xy. So your x1, you can just say this is my x1 and this is my y1, this is my x2, this is my y2. So ndakutora inini y2 wangu panapa is represented by 17. So it's 17 minus 2 over 3, that's my x2, 3 minus 6. Okay, then here we get 15 pamsoro, then plus minus 3. So my gradient is minus 5. That's my gradient. Are we together? So what I want is for you to attempt these practice questions. Uite zvauri kufunga kuti ndizvo iwewe according to the example yandakupa, right? Try kuona kuti zvauri kuita zviri correct here, then I'll give you the solutions. So what you do, you just pause the video, then you write, then after you pause, then you continue kuona video racho uona kuti maanswer awanyora ndiwo here wozvimakira. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome back. So we want to calculate the answers. Here our gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we say this is our x1, then y1, then x1 and y1, we always know, sorry, x2 and y2, always know we start with the x coordinate, right? So panapa tutora 8, that's our y2, 8 minus 2 over panapa tutora 3 minus 5. So apa tunaona that's 6 over minus 2. So our gradient is minus 3. So now ndikuita ndichisanganisa neshona just because some of my students requested that they want me to use Shona, and because some of the items vanga vasingamanzwisisi. So okay, takwenda pa question number B. Our gradient is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 takuchingotora up, now takuchitongozera this is our y2, that's 10 minus 5 over 1 minus 2, then this is 5 over minus 1, then our gradient is minus 5, right? Okay, takwenda pa next. Okay, moving on to question number C, right? Gradient yedu is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 12 minus 4 over minus 1 minus 3, because 3 is already having a negative sign here. Then put one, that's 8 over. So if you look on these items, then you shall find out that if you don't understand addition and subtraction of numbers, right, because apa you're just subtracting two numbers, right, and means zinoda kuti ita stage by stage kuti kumanya, right, maansa anobuda that basic yedu yekuprimary yataita here is the only also solution kune zvinhu zvedu. Because if you look, you only have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, ndo maths dzacho dzese. Okay, here apa anenge akuita plus minus na minus anenge akuita plus, then so it's minus 1 plus 3, we get 2. So our gradient is 4, right? Our gradient is 4. So moving on to D, our gradient is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our y2 is minus 6 minus 3 over minus 2 minus 5. So here up minus 6 minus 3, we get minus 9. Then up negative plus negative 3 minus 2 plus 5, then it will be minus 3, right? So that's our answer here, right? Okay, now we are moving on question number E. Our gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our gradient is that's y2, that's 2 minus 0 over 5 minus 1. So our answer, our gradient is 2 over 4. So our final gradient is 1/2. I tried to make some sense on these items. If you look on our first questions, the answers were negative. At some point someone can just think that no, gradient kainotobuda kana ikunzi iri gradient inofana kubuda iri negative, which is also wrong. It's not only ma negative, but basically what you do kana uchiweka maths ma answer anobuda ndo are correct. You just have to use the correct method, correct way, zvinenge zvabuda izvozvo. So maths hakuna munhu anoziya answer yequestion kana kuti yemaths usati waiweka. So basically what we want is for you to understand the workings, right? Maths is different from other subjects just because kuno kuti nodzidza method, not answers, unlike mamwe subjects ukatongoudzwa kunzi iyi ndiyo answer ikatoya exam that's the answer. But kuno chatinongosangana nacho isusu chatinoziva chatinosangana nacho is the method. So on equation of a straight line, what you need is to understand how to calculate the gradient. Then we move to the next step, which is the y-intercept kwatakuda kuenda isusu. So I will post another video on the y-intercept enotiumbogumira ipapa. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe on my channel, Maths with Mr. Kaseke. Maths with Sekaseke, sorry.